Hello!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to go and pick up our first ever geocache we placed out and do a little bit of maintenance. It's had a needs maintenance log for about a month now. So
again. Yeah, I'm expecting it to be like in a really bad state.
And thank you to those of you who went to my plant channel and subscribed, and who went to my plant Instagram and subscribed, because I know some of you did. Thank you.
It's quite muddy, lady. I hope the track to the cache is good. It's nice.
Muggle, go, 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 behind the tree. Go. Go, 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 go. Did you get it? Right when you went up, these muggles came and like stopped down there.
Like I might have 1 or 2 big spiders in there.
Ooh.
It's full of spider webs.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we've got it in the back. This doesn't look dodgy at all. Look how thick it is. We're gonna take it home and see what we can do. Hello!
Welcome!
So today we have another cache maintenance video for you, but this time it's our second geocache. But today we are headed back. It is right behind us because it needs some maintenance. We've had plenty of logs, plenty of emails saying that this cache needs to be fixed, just like our last cache. So
yep,
let's go have a look.
So that means that both our caches are at the moment disabled.
Yes.
It's still hanging.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Paint is perfect, by the way.
Yeah.
There it is. Yay, cockroach.
Ew.
Cockroaches.
Ew, ew.
Cockroaches.
Ew.
Heaps of cockroaches.
Ooh, they're falling. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh.
Luckily it's not hanging that high because the stick is not good anymore.
Ew, what's going to be inside of it?
According to the logs, it should be full of bugs.
Alright, we're going to take it out to the grass so we can get a better shot of what's inside of it. Alrighty, open her up.
This thing is missing now.
Oh yeah, I already see them underneath.
Oh yeah.
Bag's not taking that out. Ooh, look at that really big one there. Ugh. We just can't get rid of all of the cockroaches. There's so many. This cache has been out since the 6th of June, so it's been out for just over 4 months. So we're popping it in the bag to take it out because of all the cockroaches. We don't really want them getting loose in our car. Yeah, let's go home and fix it up.
Okay, so we're home. We're in the shed. It used to have rings on it, but they're all gone somehow. And the last ring was supposed to pick up the fish, but yeah, it's gone. So we're gonna have a look if we can find something that we could put on it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all this tape off, make sure it's gonna go completely inside. Put this one, screw it on like that, drill that hole, this one slightly bigger, so it fits in there. That should do the job, shouldn't it?
Yeah. While he does that, I'm gonna go into our little cache box, take everything out, have a look at it. Excuse me.
Sorry.
I'm gonna have a look through here, clean everything up that needs to be cleaning, put a new log on if there needs to be a new log. Have a look, and yeah, that's it. And we got a whole lot of swag to put back in there. So we're gonna put in geocaching network pin, yay! Tire tread marker thingy, majiggy, ta-da! Perfect.
Aw.
Oh.
It just fits. My lady says I need to use WD-40. Hook! Done! That looks solid, doesn't it?
So yeah, that is the fish all done. Now we move on to the very scary guardian.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're moving on to the very scary guardian, and this has been sitting here for
long time.
As you can see, it's going to be very interesting because we also have a guest staying here. So we're going to open her up and see what's inside.
Are we ready?
Our very scary guardian not only has 1, but 2 guardians. Look at that. We should stick a freaking stick in there.
Here we go.
Oh god. I don't even want to look.
You might be just like chilling inside. Hi.
Hello. Ooh, I'm just waiting for something to run.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I saw something running. I scared you.
Oh, no, but...
No, I did. It went like over this way. We're using the torch now to look for critters. There it is! Holy! I told you! I'm gripping this camera so tight right now. I told you I saw it run. I told you. Holy, that thing is so big. Oh my god. Holy. Look at him.
Just for comparison.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's so fast.
Oh.
Wait.
Holy sh. Oh. Look at it.
Where is he? Where?
What's coming out?
Compared to his hand, look at that. Woo! Hopefully he doesn't run while we're wheeling it.
He probably will. Let's put him here on the pile.
On the mulch pile. Yeah, this is our messy backyard, people. We're working on it.
This is a perfect home for a spider.
Yeah, this is
isn't it?
legit. Oh, this shows the scale even better. Oh my good lord. Alright, now we're gonna open up the door and see what's inside.
Ready, Lizzie?
Oh god, I'm scared. Yeah. You gotta stick your hand in there, I'm not doing it.
Ready?
Yes, off comes the lid. Oh god. Ooh, ew, look at that. So we're gonna bin all of this because it's all rubbish. Something flicked.
Yeah. I am gonna take it off and have a look at the lights themselves. If they don't work, we have to replace the lights. So tomorrow, as you know, I work in a hardware store. So I will get tomorrow a outdoor Christmas lights set that is battery operated. That's it for now. Meanwhile, the cache can dry out and we can clean it. And yeah, keeping you up to date. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It's 2 days later. We got the lights. These ones. $5 each. So we bought 2 colored ones and 2 white ones. They are suitable for indoor, outdoor, and they are battery operated. Look at that, that's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna drill holes all around it and put them all in, like separately. So when you turn on the light, it's not only light inside, but also around the outside. Yeah, so let's get started. So yeah, lots to do today. Just gonna clean it up a little bit. It's dry now. That's good enough though. Oh yeah, here goes the bark. Oh well, it is what it is. Three, 2, 1. Oh, yes. I put the lights again like how I had them in the beginning, which is like under the plastic. So you also see the working of it. You see? Ta-ta. Ta-ta. Old one. New one. Alright, it's all done and dusted. I put some new filler on the top because that crack was opening. Once it's dry I will paint it over. Washed up the container for the swag. Well, we don't have much swag to put in, so this is gonna go in there. But yeah, that's our new refurbished geocache. And we're gonna put it out soon. Mimi! Sit on the stick. Sit on the stick. No.
Ain't having it.
No. You look pretty today, lady.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back. We're putting the cache back after at least 2 weeks.
So it's 3 weeks at least.
So
this
yeah,
is
at
the
least
third
3
week.
weeks, yeah. So we've both been sick with some kind of viral pneumonia. I'm still sick, so we're taking
We still are, yeah.
But we're going to put it out finally, and then in a few days, maybe probably about a week, we're going to put the other one out. So
hopefully, yes. Come, lady.
yes.
Haha. Yes, with the nice new hook. It looks exactly the same as when I made it
Yeah.
first time.
Ta-da!
Looks exactly the same.
Yes, let's put it up.
Hooked.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Ta-ta-ta-ta.
In the tree.
Nice.
Well done. Mission successful.
Almost.
Now, almost. In about a week's time, we're going to go and put the other one out hopefully when we're both feeling a little bit better, and yeah, when neither of us are working or anything like that. So we will see you in about a week's time, in like 2 seconds. Bye.
Bye. Hey.
Alright, we are back. We are at the Botanical Gardens again, and we are going to finally place the geocache out again. It has been a while. It's been about 2 weeks since we actually fixed it up, and we got the notification like your cache has been down for too long. So
it's been down for
3 months.
3 months?
Ish.
Yeah. 3 or 4 months. Oops.
Yeah.
But hey, Corona came.
And then we got sick, and then yeah, it was just a nightmare. So
work came,
life came, and then yeah, anyway, so we're gonna go put it out now. We're gonna find a new spot for it because we're over clambering up the hill in the bush. There's too many muggles, it gets too wet and too slippery, and we just want somewhere that's easier access.
So we leave it within the range that is
legal
according to the geocaching rules.
Yeah.
Because there's like a stream going past our old location, but on the other side of the stream, that's where we're standing right now.
Indeed.
So
yeah, we're gonna move it just a little bit. So yeah, come with us, find a new spot.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's have a look.
Let's go. Finding a new spot. We think we found a good one. And it's just off the path, so let's go and have a look.
In between these ferns?
Oh yeah, under there would be nice.
I think it's a perfect spot.
Yeah, and it's enough to be hidden as well.
Yeah.
Cool.
Much more.
Hey. Oh, that's so good.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's sick. So we're putting the cache on top of the battery pack, so it's hidden nice in between those 2 ferns there.
Plus it's drier.
Indeed.
Let's go quickly through the
Content?
contents. Trackable from the Netherlands that we got from Team Snip and Snap.
Yes.
And we're putting some path tags in.
Yes.
One from ourselves.
Yes,
And
our
one-
first wild path tag.
Yeah, exactly. So come and get it, people. And a button from Hillmeister.
Yes.
And a button from She Drum a Lot.
Yes. Alright, she is back in the wild. Lights on. Lights off. She's good to go. We're going to get the coordinates and then we're going to head home and set it live. Okay, so we got home, we updated the coordinates, we've updated the description of the cache, we've made our log, and we're about to put it live again. You ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Done! Woohoo!
Yes. And that means both our geocaches are now enabled.
Alright guys, that is the end of our video. Finally, this video has been months in the making, like 3 months in the making.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed it. We did. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that notification bell so you get notified when we upload. Don't forget to leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think of the new improvements. We think they're fantastic, and it's going to be much more accessible for like younger people and slightly older people.
Kids are gonna love it.
Yeah, we just think it's going to be better overall. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Get out there, go geocaching and find it.
Exactly. And we will see you in our next video.
Yes.
Bye.